Welcome, here I've got HTC Desire 20 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on a camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode and the volume buttons are here, so let me try to use them and see how it works. And now by tapping on this I can easily take a picture. So to change that function we have to move to more advanced options. So let's go here to the right corner. When we tap on this we get access to other modes of this camera and to this button at the center. So this gives us access to the advanced camera settings, and here we are. Now let's focus on this one option, volume buttons option. So by tapping on this we can change it and we can pick from volume, capture or zoom. So let me pick zoom now to show you how it works different than capture. And let's go back to the camera and let me try to use these buttons again. And as you can see now I can get really close to my subject by tapping on this button, and also I can go back easily. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.